The Kanu family, speaking on behalf of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, has issued a strongly worded statement holding the British government responsible for what they described as an ongoing unfolding tragedy surrounding Kanu's ordeal in Nigeria. Their statement, signed by family spokesperson Emmanuel Kanu, accused the UK of direct and indirect involvement in events stretching from historical episodes of the Biafra War 1967 to 1970 to the present day. They allege Britain's support for Nigeria during the Civil War led to immense suffering, specifically the starvation of Biafran children. The family claimed that there is now a silent orchestration and diplomatic shielding of what they called Nnamdi Kanu's illegal rendition, torture, and political show trial, despite Kanu being a British citizen. The family claims the UK participated in the cover-up, citing that following a consular visit to Kanu in Nigeria, certain charges referencing the UK as the site of alleged offences were removed, implying British official input or consent. They refute Britain's assertion that it cannot intervene in Nigeria's legal process, calling it untrue and a betrayal. The family further alleges the UK has suppressed evidence, shielding Nigerian authorities from accountability and erased its complicity. The family warned that if anything should happen to Nnamdi Kanu while in detention, the British government will be held responsible not for mere inaction, but for actively taking what it called the side of evil. The Kanu family's statement has intensified calls for justice and placed increased international scrutiny on the UK, Nigeria, and the wider international community.